guys? This is your boy King JJ for number 2KOV from Team TEC, guys. Today we're gonna react on GOD battle between Bravo and Prince. So, guys, in this video, guys, the reason why I'm reacting towards this video, I got attracted. First time I watched it, and I saw some mistakes and I saw some reflection too. So guys, without wasting any time, guys, if you like this video, guys, please comment, subscribe and like the video, guys, and hit that subscription button too, guys. So yeah, uh this battle is between Prince and Bravo, guys. Prince also, he's a good dancer, trust me, you guys, he is a good dancer. Even Bravo too, guys. Yo, Bravo ibile ba mo tshaba that guy. So guys, if you want to follow Bravo, go to his TikTok account in Bravo01, and then on YouTube, I think he's under the Grootmans. Yeah, the Grootmans, guys. And Prince, I haven't searched more about him because of I don't think he has all this social media platform, guys. Prince is someone who's an anonymous, but then at GOD natumile watsibiwa upetlile batho ba bangata, and guys, he is a good dancer too. So without any wasting any time, guys, let's just step in the video and see what's happening, guys. This guy's a coach. This guy's a coach. Yo. Guys, Bravo. Guys, that guy's a goat. That guy's a goat. So, yo, and bear in mind that guy gained weight. Bravo nasi so before, guys. Bravo gained weight and it's too like flexy. It's too flexy, guys. Trust me. Even like the way he dances, the like body language speaks to the crowd. Yo, okay, Prince can dance, ne? I loved how Prince can dance. Like ke rata the way movement ya gagwe e movang ka teng. It's just that I feel like the crowd was disappointing him. Crowd name would disappoint and he didn't feel this battle. He felt like he's lost, but he was just getting there. He was getting there. Yo, but Bravo, bra. Yo, hi guys. Let's continue the video. Oh, this is round two. I'm approve. Okay, I know. Sheep and Nice movement. Guys, wabona sesifika ko-Prince, guys. Prince has a good movement, guys. Trust me. Udisappointile ke-crowd. Crowd failed Prince, guys. And like, this guy can dance. He really gave Bravo tough time, even though Bravo crowd name a favor. But as for me, I feel like the battle was really tough. For me, battle was really tough because of that's a different movement between the two. That's a different movement between the two. And the battle was dope. The battle was dope. And like, trust me, guys. Yo, just that, guys. Bravo, hey, bravo, guys. Hey, ngibone sekusukuma ne-MC nje seyihlanya ngobravo ngiba like, yeah, it's chai. Wabona once gwaemelela MC, gwahlanya DJ. Ah, chai, guys. Don't dance anymore. I feel like this guy, uh, the way he dance, creativity, guys, it's more powerful than what you gonna expect. And bear in mind, Bravo doesn't rehearse, guys. Bravo doesn't rehearse, number one. Number two, Bravo relax. Why relax, Bravo? Unless if they're shooting a video with his crew, and because I know him, guys. I know him way before. Now, because it kills Jita and whatsoever. But then here, guys, in this video, guys, you are Bravo killed, guys. Yo. And there's more coming. But then let's continue. Because it seems like it's gonna be round 3. Yeah. Bravo! Guys, one thing for sure about Prince, guys, the crowd, like the way I see this battle, guys, like Prince doesn't have that chance because of I feel like Bravo has more crowd than him, and so whenever he dances, he doesn't feel the energy anymore because of whenever Bravo after stepping in that video, guys, whenever Bravo stepping into a stage, the crowd feels him. But Prince Akena, guys, it's a chai. It's a chai. So yeah, but guys, I feel like Prince didn't have enough chance to step into a stage and give all the best that he has. Instead of the crowd favors Bravo more, which has made this battle obviously. Bravo will win. Trust me, Bravo will win, like it or not. So yeah, I feel like favoritism, guys. We're not judging, by the way. Eh? Go on, please. Go on, go on, go on. So Prince, guys, I feel like Prince is moving. Prince is fighting for this title. Prince is moving, just that the crowd doesn't allow him. Prince is moving, and he has greatest movement whereby Aukasheba Limpopo Boy or Bosheba issue Prince there and there. Prince can Prince can really move. Just that the crowd like already expected Bravo to be the one who closes all these titlements. So, but nice one, Prince. Nice one. I give you your flowers, bro. Oh, guys. I have to rewind this, guys. Sorry. Sorry. Prince that did something else. Yo. Aba keke ena, guys. Yo. Guys, that's the best signature move. That's the best signature move, guys. Trust me. Prince killed that cake, guys. I killed that one. If Bravo was not aware about that, I then sorry, guys. So Prince killed. Even though Prince loses this battle, guys, I'ma give it him his flowers, guys. Prince can move. Whoever who is next in this video, or whoever who's gonna battle with Prince, I must be aware in Jagagadi Keke. Yo, this guy killed another Keke in Fana. Yo. Prince, bro, I'ma give you flowers, guys. Prince can move, guys. Yo. Bravo. Okay, guys, I feel like uh okay. Guys, I feel like Bravo won that battle, guys. Truth to be told, Bravo won that battle. Even though Prince, the crowd failed him and they were not honest enough to him, guys. They're not much honest enough to him, guys. So I feel like when it comes to judgmental of Bravo and Prince. The comments obvious. When you go to the comment section, guys, already everyone will say Bravo killed the battle. Bravo killed the battle. Not noticing the movement of Prince, guys. Prince moved differently, number one. Prince dances. He doesn't stunt. One thing for sure. And then Bravo makes a signature moves only, which is first round, he killed. Second round, signature move. Third round, signature move. Guys, that's not fair. That's not fair, guys. If you could see if like you, I feel like GOT, Okena, also famous. Then when time goes by, guys, you become more famous. So I bet, guys, we will. I think we bet, guys, we need to be honest about GOT, guys. I feel like some other people loses their self-confidence when it comes to dancing because of the opponent has a weight of crowd, guys. And the opponent know. Satota ka horeng, hi, bayangazi. Mshanga this, nalis. Even though they don't plan. But thanks, Prince, guys, for partaking. That was one of my favorite videos that I've liked. The Battle of Bravo versus Prince. And on my previous video, guys, I did King Togotela versus Vetis, guys, and you guys saw it fair and square, guys. My next video that is coming after this one, episode 3, it's gonna be King Pele Pele versus King Togotela. Yeah, guys. So thank you for watching this video, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that subscription button, guys. Danko.